Hey, in this video, I'm making a quick and easy French dish called chicken Paillard. It's made with boneless, skinless chicken breast. Stick around. The word Paillard in French means to pound or to flatten thin, which is what we're going to do with our chicken breast so that it cooks evenly and quickly. French-speaking people pronounce the word Paillard with a silent D. Now, if you speak French, let me know in the comments how did I do on that pronunciation. I'm going to start by placing my chicken breast in a Ziploc bag, a large one. And I'm going to pound it with a rolling pin, or you can use a heavy pot or skillet if you like, either one. So I'm going to pound it thin to about a 1/4 inch thickness. So if you don't have a Ziploc bag handy, you can use 2 pieces of plastic wrap. Just place the chicken breast in between and pound it in the same way you would with a rolling pin or a heavy pot. Now, once the chicken breast is flattened, go ahead and season with salt and pepper on both sides. Now, in a large frying pan, add your olive oil and your butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, and heat on medium-high heat until the butter starts to foam. Add your chicken to the pan and cook on one side about 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Then flip it over and do the same thing on that side. Now, after you've done that, go ahead and remove the chicken from the pan. Then place it in a plate on the side. Okay, now you want to add your shallots to the pan, and you want to cook those until they're soft, about another 2 or 3 minutes. Then you'll add your garlic, and you'll cook that until it's fragrant, so you can start smelling it, and that'll take about another minute. Go ahead and add your lemon juice and your chicken stock, and what you want to do is let that simmer until the sauce reduces to about half. And remember to scrape the brown bits off the bottom of the pan. That's the goodness right there. That's where you get a lot of flavor from. So let it simmer until it thickens and reduces about half. Stir in the rest of your cold butter, 4 tablespoons. Let it cook until the butter is melted. And at this point, you want to taste for seasoning, salt and pepper, to your taste. Add your lemon zest and chopped chives along with the chicken breast that you had on the side, and let that chicken breast warm through in the sauce. And now it's time to plate it up.